Hey everyone, welcome to Mobile Munch. Today, the spotlight shines on the Oppo F27 Pro Plus, a phone that's been generating a lot of buzz thanks to leaked specifications and a recent unboxing video. Let's see if this mid-ranger lives up to the hype. Immersive display and smooth performance. The Oppo F27 Pro Plus boasts a large 6.7-inch FHD Plus curved AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This display promises a visually stunning experience perfect for watching videos, gaming, and scrolling through social media. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor, which when paired with 8 GB of RAM, should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks, browsing, and even some light gaming. With Android 14 on board, you'll have access to the latest features and security updates. Built to withstand the elements. Here's where the F27 Pro Plus stands out. It's rumored to be Ff29 dust and water resistant. This means it can withstand splashes, spills, and even high-pressure water jets. This level of durability is rarely seen in mid-range phones and could be a major selling point for users who lead active lifestyles or are prone to accidents. Camera system with potential. The Oppo F27 Pro Plus features a triple camera system on the back. The main sensor is rumored to be a 64-mega pure sensor, which should capture decent photos in good lighting conditions. An 8-megapixel selfie camera allows for video calls and capturing those all-important selfies. However, with only leaked specs to go on, we'll have to wait for official reviews to get a true sense of the camera's capabilities. Long-lasting battery and speedy charging. The Oppo F27 Pro Plus packs a 5,000 mAh battery, which on paper should offer enough power to last you through a full day on a single charge with moderate usage. And when you do need to top up, the 67-watt SuperVOOC fast charging technology will get you back up and running in no time. It's also nice to see that Oppo includes a case in the box, something that's becoming increasingly rare these days. The Oppo F27 Pro Plus appears to be a compelling mid-range option with a large, immersive display, smooth performance, durable design, long-lasting battery, and fast charging. The IP69 dust and water resistance is a major advantage over most mid-range competitors. However, until we get our hands on the phone and put it through its paces, it's difficult to say for certain if the camera lives up to the hype and how the phone performs in real-world use. The price point will also be a key factor in determining its success. So, that's our look at the Oppo F27 Pro Plus. What features are you most interested in on a mid-range phone? Let me know in the comments below what you think of the F27 Pro Plus. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech news and upcoming gadget reviews.